pricing optimization. Third is marketing and storytelling. There are elements of it, which you were just talking about. It's the founder. Like, what is the founder's story? Why did you make this product? What makes you special? Even if you're selling the same cat fountain that 20,000 other Amazon sellers are selling, what makes this cat fountain special is because you own a cat named Heather. My cat's name is Heather. Heather, and whenever you have this cat fountain, she loves drinking from it. Okay, can I take a video of that and put it up on my site? Can I tell a story when I'm hosting a live content on my social media on that product page where I'm holding my cat and she's loving and we're doing all sorts of things with that cat? That makes that story more compelling. That humanizes that product. So even though 20,000 other sellers are selling the same product that you bought from AliExpress, that makes that product more special because it's me, Sabir, telling that story with my cat, Heather, and showing you how great my cat is, so happy and so furry because of drinking from that cat fountain.